Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like part modeling, surface modeling, sheet metal enclosure design, plastic components design, product design, reverse engineering, simulation, and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain about offset bracket. So this is the component, and right side you can see the flat pattern. So this is the component I am going to create, and I am going to use tab feature for offset flange, and I am going to explain about inside bend and outside bend. So let's start now. So I have taken a new SolidWorks part file, select the top plane, go to sketch, take one center rectangle, so this is 150, this is 40, select the base flange. So here I am going to take 1 mm thickness and K factor as 0.45 and say OK. Next I am going to create one flange. So I am going to keep it in right side. See here. See here, the radius it's showing as 1.75. So whenever we see that it is not equivalent to thickness, then we have to come out of this and select sheet metal properties, go to edit feature. Here we have to select 1 mm. Now I am going to select this edge and this edge. So I am going to create both the sides. See, I am going to keep it in right side view. See here. Now the radius is 1 mm. See here we have to select material inside. This is the best practice. See here, it is exactly forming this edge. So whatever we have given in dimension in the base flange, according to that it creates the edge flange. So it's easy for understanding. So now we have to dimension this edge flange. See, this is 30 mm. And this is also 30 mm. See here. Now I am going to create one more edge flange. See here, in earlier condition we have taken material inside. Now we have to select this material, bend outside. I am going to explain after creating this sketch. See here. So keep it in top view. Simply drag right side and remove this vertical constraint. Now keep it in inclined position and draw one center line connecting these midpoints. Make sure that it is connecting the midpoints, so it is slightly inclined. Now we can make it vertical. So now exactly it is symmetric. So this is 40 and this is 20. This is 55. So now it is fully constrained. See, why I have taken bend outside option is, whenever we create any inclined edges, then it is better to have bend outside. See here. So we can see the smooth transition at this point. See here, this one. You can see here. So I am going to show you what happens if I select this material inside. See, it is going to tear this. See, when I keep it in flat pattern, see here. So it is not good for machining. So to avoid such problem, we have to select this bend outside. See here. I am going to show you the flat pattern. See here, it is having a sharp edge. So that is the advantage. Now I am going to create other flanges. Since these are symmetric, I am going to mirror these components, this feature. So I am going to select the mirror command and I am going to select right plane and this and say OK. And similarly select mirror command, select front plane and select these two. See here. Now I am going to create a tab feature. So select this face, go to sketch, you have to select this edge, convert entity and move these points inside and draw one vertical line exactly at the center and make sure that these three are symmetric. Now draw one more line horizontally, select horizontal command, right click midpoint, select. So this is 25 mm. So we can go inside and go inside this also. Now I am going to assign this angle 101. See here. Now the distance between these two edges is 10 mm. See, it is now it is exactly at center, so it is fully constrained now, and say OK. See, this is a sketch I have created. Select this sketch and go to tab feature. See, we have to make sure that it is merging with this flange. See, when we make reverse direction, it comes out. So we have to make sure that it is in exact direction, and we have to always check this option, merge results. That is important, otherwise we'll get split bodies. Similarly, I am going to create one more tab feature. So I am going to show this sketch. Now I am going to create this sketch. Now select this sketch and convert entities. See here and say OK. Now hide this. So we have one more sketch. Select the tab feature. See, we have to select this edge, this sketch. See here, the direction is important. It is inside, and merge results. See here. Now I am going to create one more edge flange. See here. So both the directions. Simply we have to edit this sketch. See here, I am keeping in top view. See here, we have to remove these vertical constraints. Select this and this, make it collinear. Select these two, make it parallel. Select these two, make it parallel, and say OK. And similarly, select this and this, make it collinear, make it parallel. See, we are getting the exact shape of the flanges. See here, it looks like exactly placed, but it is having little offset. See, when we see in right side view, see here, there is an offset because of this tab. The name has been given as offset bracket. Now I am going to apply fillets. So here I am going to take 10 mm. See here. So I have selected all the 4 edges. Here. Now once again I am going to apply break corners. So here I am going to take 5 mm. Select this edge, this edge, this edge, this one, and this, and say OK. See here, so this is the flange. Now I am going to add few more features. So here we have to unfold this, select this, collect all bends. So whenever we have cutouts, better to have unfold so that we can see in the flat pattern, because whenever we cut the component in the flat state. So it's better to have unfold command until unless is required. So now I am going to apply hole feature. Select this hole feature, place it over here. See here. See, this is 10 mm. So I want to mirror this. So select this and select mirror entities and select this center. See, we have to give this distance. So this is 88. See, it is not constrained, so we have to select these 3 points and make it horizontal. So it is exactly at the center and say OK. So this whole feature is completed. So I am going to add few more holes. Select this face and say OK, come out of this and edit sketch. See, here we have to draw one center line exactly at the center of this edge. See here. See here. Now draw one center line horizontally and vertically and go to mirror entities. Select this entity and mirror about. At this center line. Once again, mirror entities. Select these two circles. Mirror about and say OK. Now once again we have to cut this slot. See here. Select this face, go to sketch. So select the slot command. So this is 84. So this is 20. This is 12 and this is so exactly at the center now. Now select the mirror command, select this slot. So we don't have center line, so we have to draw on center line. So I'm drawing in other direction. Now select the mirror command. So go to sheet metal and select extruded cut. Select link to thickness and say OK. See here. Now select the fold command and say OK. See here. I am going to show you the flat pattern. See, this is how it looks like. See here. So this is brief about offset bracket in sheet metal module. Thanks for watching.